Take a moment to check out the 2018 Mazda CX-9. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. This handsome CX-9 delivers family-oriented utility with a big dose of driving pleasure. Relax in the near-luxury feeling cabin, feel the adrenaline of smooth athletic power, and enjoy the confidence that comes with three-row spaciousness and advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take your drive to the fun side in this handsome, athletic CX-9. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.